I'm Paul from Mazmart, and today we're going to install the AutoExe intake suction kit for the 2014 Mazda 3 Skyactiv. This intake hose is of a superior design. It's made of silicone and it eliminates the bellows on the flexible hose that cause resistance to airflow. By removing the bolts from the entrance to the intake air box, we're able to move the box around, facilitating easier installation of the hose. After removing the ventilation hose, we move directly to unscrewing the clamps that hold the hose in place to the throttle body and to the air intake box. Make sure to have the hose clamps already on the hose prior to installation. Slip the hose onto the airbox and then onto the throttle body. Tighten your hose clamps. And install your ventilation pipe. Remember to reinstall the bolts that hold down your intake entrance duct to the airbox. Okay, now you're finished. Congratulations, you've installed your AutoExe intake suction kit.